Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mike Fleischer, and thank you for your interest in my ad. I hope it resonated with you. My guess is that you're looking to transition from your current job position, create a side income, maybe replace some income, pay some things off, or just become your own boss. Maybe you're much like myself and simply want to add an income stream to make retirement more pleasant. Whatever be the case, then this is something you are probably going to want to pay close attention to. I help people just like yourself create freedom in their lives by creating a side income with a proven system that I would love to tell you about in a lot more detail on a quick call. My personal story is quite simple. After a bad bike accident, I could no longer work in my chiropractic profession nor my clinic, so I decided to create an income from home. It was the best thing that could have happened in my life. My advice to all those that I train and teach to be entrepreneurs is to forget about defending excuses, take some action, and fight for the life you deserve and that you dream about. Click the button below, request a quick call with me, and I'll explain how this works in much more detail. You don't need to be good at sales. You don't need to have a bunch of cash to get started. I won't be hard selling you anything. I'll ask you some questions. You can ask me as many questions as you would like, and if by the end you're still excited, I will tell you what the next steps are. First thing to do is to click the button below, request a call with me, and I'll reach out within 24 hours. I'll look forward to speaking with all of you.